Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 9 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given the maximum likelihood estimator or MLE of the parameters alpha and lambda, where lambda being large, of the distribution fx is equals to 1 by gamma lambda multiplied by lambda divided by alpha whole to the power lambda e to the power minus lambda x divided by alpha x to the power lambda minus alpha, which is nothing but a gamma distribution with parameter lambda and alpha. Okay, now we need to find among these given four option which is the correct answer. Okay, so first we write the likelihood function. Likelihood function, that is Lx curve, which is gamma lambda whole to the power n lambda by alpha whole to the power n lambda multiplied by e to the power minus lambda by alpha sum over xi, and multiplication of I equals to 1 to n xi whole to the power lambda minus 1. Now log likelihood, that is ln Lx curl, is minus n ln gamma lambda plus n lambda ln lambda by alpha minus lambda by alpha sum over xi plus lambda minus 1 sum over ln xi. Okay, now first we are to find the MLE for alpha. Therefore we need to differentiate with respect to alpha. We need to differentiate the ln Lx curl with respect to alpha, which is a partial derivative. Therefore we get n lambda divided by lambda by alpha multiplied by minus 1 by alpha square. Here we get minus, it is lambda sum over xi by alpha square, and if we equate this with 0 and solve for alpha, we get the MLE for alpha. Therefore we get lambda sum over xi divided by alpha square is equals to n lambda divided by lambda by alpha multiplied by 1 by alpha square. After cancelling we get n by alpha, and here we get lambda sum over xi, lambda sum over xi, and here alpha cancels out and we get alpha. Okay, now this we made a mistake here there must be a lambda, therefore these two lambdas also cancels out. Therefore the MLE of alpha will be x bar. Okay, so MLE of alpha is x bar. Now we need to find the MLE of lambda. So first we write the log likelihood, that is ln Lx curve, which is minus n ln lambda n ln gamma lambda plus n lambda ln lambda by alpha ln lambda by alpha minus minus lambda by alpha sum over xi plus lambda minus alpha sum over ln xi. Okay, Now we need to partial derivative. We need to do the partial derivative with respect to lambda on ln Lx curve. Therefore, we get here minus n del lambda ln gamma lambda plus n ln lambda by alpha plus n lambda 1 by lambda by alpha multiplied by 1 by alpha minus sum over xi divided by alpha hat, and here we get plus sum over ln xi. Okay. Now given by the question del lambda ln gamma lambda is equals to ln lambda minus 1 by 2 lambda. Okay. So we can write del lambda ln Lx curl is equals to minus n ln lambda plus n by 2 lambda here also alpha hats, these two are cancels out, and here we get n ln lambda by alpha hat minus sum over xi divided by alpha hat, okay, plus sum over ln xi. Now if g is the geometric mean, therefore it must be multiplication of xi whole to the power 1 by n. Therefore ln g is 1 by n sum over ln xi. Therefore sum over ln xi is equals to n ln g. Okay. So from this we get del lambda ln L is equals to minus n ln lambda plus n by 2 lambda plus n ln lambda minus n ln x bar, as alpha hat is equals to x bar, minus sum over xi divided by x bar, which results in n plus n ln g. Okay. Now n ln lambda and minus n ln lambda cancels out, and if we equate this with 0, we get n ln g minus n ln x bar minus n is equals to minus n by 2 lambda. Okay. Okay. Here we miss one term, which is this n. So we need to write this n here. Therefore, here also plus n, here also plus n. So n cancels out. Therefore, we get ln g minus ln x bar is equals to minus 1 by 2 lambda. Or we can write lambda is equals to minus 1 by 2 1 by ln g minus ln x bar, or half ln x bar minus ln g, or 1 by 2 ln x bar divided by g. So the MLE of lambda is 1 by 2 ln x bar divided by g, and MLE of alpha is x bar. So the option C is the correct answer. Option C is correct. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.